Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. The modern data stack is the term for the tools used by tech companies to analyze and integrate data. It's cloud-based, which alleviates many of the challenges in analyzing data with legacy systems. Here's the components of the modern data stack. Data sources. This includes databases, company products that produce a stream of data, and event streams, which log each action a user takes. Data warehouse. These are the tools used to store the voluminous amounts of data that come from data analysis work. This includes data lakes and other large-scale formats for storing the data. Data analytics. This includes the ability to query into the data sets and apply analytics to the data. Data transformation. This moves the data into a format that end users can use for their own queries and analysis. Data monitoring. This captures metrics about the data, such as how often the data is being used and for what applications. Data governance. This monitors the use of the data to comply with government regulations. And data applications. The set of applications which use the data output from the system for applications such as business intelligence. In setting up a data analytics program at your company, consider the modern data stack and its components. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us into today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.